What's going on, guys? It's your boy Maui David here, back at again with another video. And Raw on Netflix just it was awesome, man. It really is awesome. It lived up to the hype, and we expected more legends to come. I don't like Hulk Hogan. Like, what's the point of bringing Hulk Hogan just to promote his beer, American made beer? You know. But anywho, but Raw on Netflix, it was so awesome. So let's start off. The Rock comes out and he acknowledges all of the people here, and he talks about back in the day when Raw was on Saturday nights, you know, and also um thank the people here on the first Raw on Netflix. Even The Rock's family was there, his children and his mom, and he acknowledges Cody Rhodes for carrying the company towards his back. And what else? He acknowledges Roman Reigns for being the original tribal chief. And then, all in all, the first match, I did not expect this. The tribal combat match kicks off the first Raw on Netflix. So, the tribal combat match between Solo Sikoa and Roman Reigns live up to the hype. It was a bloodline rules match, man. A lot of interference from Kevin Owens, Jacob Fatu, Tama Tonga, and right now Sami Zayn just came up. All in all of that, and then Roman Reigns hit the spear, and he wins. And then after that, Roman Reigns reclaims the Ulafala. But before that, The Rock came out and he puts the Ulafala on Roman Reigns' neck. And now seemingly The Rock just acknowledges Roman and gives him a hug. So what was the point of The Rock being a heel? I think The Rock's heel as a final boss is particularly dead. But see, right now, seemingly The Rock is a babyface. But all in all, the first match, it was live up to the hype. It was John Cena's promo, and John Cena talks about um thanking the fans for all of the support for many years, and it's impossible that he will be a 17-time world champion. And he says his time is up, their time is now, and seemingly John Cena just said he's going to the Royal Rumble and win. So basically, um, John Cena is entering the Royal Rumble. Literally. Cena will enter the Royal Rumble match. And let's go to the main event. I don't want to go to the Rhea stuff that's all over in the books. The Undertaker just came out, and congrats with Rhea Ripley and all of that. To the main event. CM Punk versus Seth Rollins. And man, oh man, it was the match of the century. 10 years in the making. Seth Rollins versus CM Punk. It was so awesome, but it did not live up to the hype between Roman Reigns and Solo Sikoa in the Tribal Combat match. But it was awesome. CM Punk came up with the win. He hit Seth Rollins with two go to sleep. And then after that, CM Punk just said he wants a championship match at WrestleMania. He wants to win the Royal Rumble. He's coming after Gunther nor Cody Rhodes. And that's it. Raw on Netflix is in the books, and it was awesome. I just don't like Hulk Hogan being there. If you watch, the fans are literally booing Hulk Hogan while he was promoting his All-American beer. Now, it was noted that Stone Cold Steve Austin was supposed to be there, but it was scrapped, so Stone Cold Steve Austin has been replaced with Hulk Hogan. But I just don't like it, Hulk Hogan being there, man. It was fun. It was fun. The Undertaker was there, The Rock was there, and John Cena was there. But I don't like Hulk Hogan. Nobody likes Hulk Hogan because Hulk Hogan is a mouthful of a liar. You know what I mean? And Hulk Hogan is a controversial man. So there you go. Netflix was all in good. Uh, Raw on Netflix was all in good. It live up to the hype. But we will see you next week. So what do you think about this, guys? Our Netflix Raw debut on Netflix review. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more wrestling content and gaming content here on our YouTube channel. Peace out, guys. Subscribe.